My name is Varga and I'm a quality engineering manager.
Melitón Marquez, production manager.
My name is Regina Kim. I'm a program manager at Veris.
Mark Vasquez, I'm the controller here.
Working with Veris for 19 years.
8.5 years.
I've been here for 4.5 years.
I've been with Veris for 2 years. Everybody has a different version of accountability. Every individual is responsible for their actions and behaviors. So basically, do what you say you're going to do. You can set a goal, a deadline, and hit it, and I think that's accountability.
Accountability means to me just that you're doing what you said that you would do. You're staying true to your word. You're trustworthy. You're dependable.
Being willing to accept responsibility, not just for your own actions, but also for the team result. So being able to take ownership of that whole result.
Being a responsible person, responsible employee, and then being the backbone of the production floor.
We have developed a very accountable culture, and everybody works together very well. And
I can give you an example of one time where one of our teammates who had to do the process called in sick, and we were shorthanded. So another team member from another department showed up and started helping, and then we were able to ship the order on time, and we made it.
I've worked with a lot of people here, and I have seen accountability in varying levels from everyone. I would say largely that's due to the culture that's fostered here. We have a lot of highly motivated individuals that work here, but then also we like each other's company and we enjoy each other's company, and so we're able to really work with each other and keep each other accountable.
I think my leads are working on them, the peers that are working on them, I think they show a big accountability because I just pass that information to them and they make the process happen.
to be accountable is to be an employee at Veris.